We've been seeing you may be feeling a bit sluggish lately. Well, if so, you're not alone.
Yeah, during these winter months, it's hard for the body to make enough vitamin D because of the lack of sunshine. So, as people running to the pharmacies looking for supplements to help out.
So our Marissa Thomas spoke with some local medical experts tonight to find out the signs to look out for and how to help. Marissa, what'd you learn?
Well, Emily, I found out that the amount of people taking vitamin supplements does go up in the winter. Vitamin D, but also vitamin C and zinc, which are both helpful for the immune system and fighting off colds.
When we aren't seeing a lot of sun or being outside, the amount of vitamin D we get decreases. But why does that matter? What does vitamin D actually do?
Vitamin D is especially important for bone health and your teeth because it helps absorb the calcium, and the calcium helps build the bones.
It also turns out that vitamin D can be helpful in strengthening our immune systems. And people get vitamin D through foods like tuna, salmon, milk, and eggs. The important thing is that you get it somehow.
An imperative that you get enough vitamin D, whether that is through diet, whether it's through the sun, whether it's through extra vitamins.
To find out if you're vitamin D deficient, you would actually have to take a blood test. And epidemiologist Dr. Becky Dawson says that a lack of vitamin D isn't the only thing to look out for.
You really should see whether or not you have any sort of deficiency, not just vitamin D. Your body is a system, and there's so many different requirements and so many different vitamins, minerals, different things that your body needs. You don't want to be out of sync in any way.
Vitamin D is actually different than most. It stays in our system and doesn't metabolize quickly, which means though we do want to get enough vitamin D, getting more than we need is also harmful.
You want to make sure that if you are supplementing, you are also recognizing that there are limits and you shouldn't be taking too much.
Dr. Becky Dawson also said to help with the overall winter blues, as well as getting more vitamin D, that going outside for a quick walk and getting some fresh air or taking up a winter sport can actually be really beneficial.